Hello, this is Andrew with Fat Ox Public Adjusters here at the Moore residence. I wanted to come back to gather some more context for the insured. Sent them some images from their photo report and estimate that weren't very well understood or received. So I've come back to do an additional scope, go over some of the damages that were highlighted before, and take a look at some of the new damages that may have been present in my photo report or I may not have noticed before. So first thing we're going to look at here is this shingle, and I want to pay special attention to this crease line right here, this diagonal crease that we can see. All right here. So this shingle is unsealed. This is the end right here, and we can see I'm going to simulate some wind getting underneath this shingle, and you can see exactly the seal stops right about here. Can't get my finger under there. I can get it under here. All right, so that's exactly where the shingle is going to be creased at when we simulate wind, right along here. Insured is claiming that this shingle has been damaged by a covered peril, wind. All right, got another wind damage shingle right here. This was highlighted in the insured's estimate and photo report. All right, now it appears that this dimensional portion of the shingle has been resealed. It's not uncommon, unbonded right here at the edge. But we see the characteristic crease lines along the top here. All right, also did find some miscellaneous damages that the insured is claiming as a result of a covered hail. This is a close-up of the HVAC rain cap. There's two on this side. There's another indentation right there that's not fully marked, but there's two on this side, and then there's another one on that right facing slope of the house. Here's the other HVAC rain cap. Indentations indicative of storm damage. Just now noticing that we have an indent here on the gutter, and we'll chart that in real time. All right. Looked at all these gutters on this side of the home and did find quite a few that we'll go over later on. And this is a close-up of the missing dimensional portion of the shingle that was sent to the insurer. We can see the bonding strip here, but no little dimensional shingle. Now, this entire shingle came off the line as one shingle. All right, designed by the manufacturer exactly as it was before this dimensional portion ended up missing. Now the insured is claiming that this dimensional portion of the shingle is missing because of wind, therefore the shingle is no longer in its pre-loss condition. All right, some more damages that did look pretty good. There's extensive granule loss about the roof, but some stuff that stuck out and looks pretty good to me. And a lot of these, I was able to feel the mat, soft mat underneath, had a lot of give to it, which tells me that the mat was actually bruised. The shingle was impacted. There's some good stuff here. I stayed towards the center, near where this ridge is, just for safety, right here, here. Okay. And here is another great example of what the insured is claiming is wind damage. All right, so didn't have my goat with me, so I didn't climb this whole slope here, but you'll see that this shingle is unbonded. We've got the same diagonal creasing here. So, and this has a lot of give to it, barely putting any effort into it, but wind gets under there, agitates this shingle, and we'll see that crease line that's created as a result. Right? All right, so I'm gonna go down bottom. We'll take a look at some of the gutters. I'll get some still images of that. Still need to look at that gutter up close. I could see damage from up top, as well as the gutter on this other side over here. I could see damage from that ridge right there.